The bail application by the alleged mastermind in the murder of Tshegofatso Pule has been postponed to the 6th of April. Ntuthuko Shoba was denied bail earlier this month by the very same court, but now he claims to have new facts in the matter after changing his legal team. Pule was murdered by Muzikayise Malipane in June of last year when she was 8 months pregnant, allegedly with Shoba's child. Our reporter Linda Mnisi is following the story for us and joins us live from the Roodepoort Magistrate Court. Good to have you with us once again this afternoon, Linda. If you could give us a roundup of what has transpired in the courts this afternoon, or this morning rather.
Well, a very good afternoon to you, Tammy. Ntuthuko Shoba's new lawyer placing before the court that he has new facts. In fact, that he only got transcripts yesterday and today can only place before the court the new facts and would like the court to consider whether or not they are indeed new facts and whether they can proceed with this bail application, because you'll remember they said they're coming back with the bail application on new facts. So essentially revealing to the court that, through a statement by Ntuthuko Shoba, who had to be warned, Tammy, might I add, that whatever he reveals to the court can be used against him at a later stage. So essentially he's now revealing that through a conversation that he had with an inmate, the inmate revealed how last year he was told by a different inmate around June that he was arrested for murdering his girlfriend after, an argument. He later realized that the inmate was specifically talking about Muzikayise Malipane. Now, he details how he came to meet this inmate. He says he's kept at the Krugersdorp Correctional Services Center, and he happens to share a cell with this inmate, and this is when the conversation happened, where he details that in fact it then became apparent that Tshegofatso Pule could have had multiple relationships. Now you wonder how this inmate came to meet Muzikayise Malipane. He says last year he noticed there was a new inmate in the cell next door, and what had happened was that during the time when they're released and they're out in the field, he relayed the story of whether, or why he was detained, because it is common that inmates would share the reasons why they're detained. And this man, who later came to be known as Muzikayise, revealed that he was, detained for murder. It was also at a later stage, Tammy, where he revealed that he was arrested for the murder of his girlfriend, where he even at a later stage started, considering and questioning whether the pregnancy was his. So Ntuthuko Shoba says he wants this court to consider these facts, and on the later bail application he will then release an affidavit.
Is there a reason that has been given, or do we know why he has changed legal teams?
Well, there was no reasons given at this particular point as to why he could have changed a legal team, because you'll remember in the judgment of his bail application, the magistrate saying that there was really not much to work with in terms of what he had brought forward. You'll remember he told the court that he wouldn't evade trial, and also that he did not know the witnesses in the matter. The magistrate saying that, well, it is common knowledge that the docket would be handed to the defense, and that the names of the people who are going to be witnesses will be known. So that in fact does not stand. He in fact also did not state at length what his relationship is with his family, just saying that he is a 36-year-old who is employed. And I remember at the time during the argument, Tammy, the prosecutor saying that there is nothing exceptional about being employed. So at this particular point, there hasn't been any reason in particular given as to why he could have changed legal teams.
Thank you very much, Linda. As you have said, that the hearing will be postponed until the 6th of April. That is the Tshegofatso Pule murder case that Linda Mnisi is covering for us.